Hey everyone, this is Chosen Precious Farm and my name is Karen, and it is Tuesday morning and I want to show you the progress of what we've done so far. So the rooms are done and now we're just working on fixing the walls in the living room, a little bit of demo, and trying to paint and get everything ready to put in the floor. So let me just show you where we're at so far. Okay, the kitchen is pretty much the same. Nothing's changed here. We started to move some of the stuff that we had here, and eventually we're going to need to take everything out of this spot. I mean, eventually we're going to need to take everything out of everywhere, but for right now, here's where we're at. So I don't know if you remember in that first video, I'll show a little part, but there was this huge, I don't even know what to call it. It was like a shelf because it wasn't a cabinet. It was pretty much empty space. I took that down and I'll show the demo of doing that in this video as well. But we took that down. Can you guys just see how much better it looks without that there? It was such an eyesore and it broke up the room so bad. But yeah. It had the counter on it like normal. I thought it was gonna be a hole in the middle, but nope, it was just perfect. And so over here, we've moved the bed and we've moved all of the stuff that was here and taped up those two windows. And yesterday we were patching up and stuff, so I'll show you all of that as well. And then if I come from this side and look the other way, that big thing that was there is gone. And it looks so much better, like so much better. It looks so much bigger too. I had someone in the comments suggest that I move that whole thing over there. We thought of that, and that was a great idea as well that they gave. We're not gonna move it, just because financially we don't have the resources for that. But yeah, here's where we're at so far. There was 2 holes over here. We patched up. We need to do a second round of I don't even know what that's called. We need a second round of quick set on there, and it'll be pretty much ready to sand and stuff. This side we haven't done yet, but we'll do that side today. We're gonna get rid of that recliner. It's not ours. It was here when we got it, and my husband has been loving it, but it is an ugly color, and I don't want to keep it. But yeah, that is where we're at right now. I will show you the bits and pieces, like tearing that down and tearing the other thing down and stuff, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I am going to try to remove this. We want the countertop and we want everything, but we just feel like this is such an obstruction of view. So we're going to try to knock this part off up to here and keep the countertop and everything else. Okay, cool. That's awesome. The whole thing just came off. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I really thought I was gonna have to keep this nothingness in this corner, but the whole thing just came off. And this is not being supported by that. That was my fear, that the rest of the cabinets were being supported by this, but it's not. It's just a nothingness hole. Crazy. Wow, that's awesome. Look at it. There's nothing in here. It's literally nothing. And look at all that. Look at how much more space there is now. Look at how much more space there is now. Look at what a clean view there is over there to the living room. Wow, that is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to be taking off these cabinet doors, and I am going to keep the hinges, these hinges. I don't mind that they are looking like they're worn or anything like that. I was planning on going for golden hinges anyway, so I'm going to keep them. That's another expense that I won't have to make. But we're going to be taking down the doors so that I can paint the kitchen and paint the doors. Everything is going to be white in here. And then eventually I will replace the handles. I do want to go for gold as well, but not this. This is very outdated. So, okay, so we've got this dresser here, or shelf system, I don't even know what to call this, but it's in the living room, so I don't want it there. My plan for this space is to put a built-in like banquette, a built-in banquette this way, and then we're gonna have our dining room table there, and then the rest of the living room will be the living room. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off those doors there and see how I can take this off. Okay, the doors are off, and I'm gonna start unscrewing things. Like, I just took apart the screws that are in here, and anywhere else that I see screws like there, I'm gonna take them off and see if it just comes off as one whole piece. So I've taken that off, which is this part. I figured that it was gonna be screwed into the wall. So here's where I am right now. Okay, got that part off. Hopefully the rest is just that easy. Well, I hammered in one spot and the whole thing came crashing down. Here's where we are. Okay, it's out. Look at that. So, a couple of spots we're gonna need to fix. Didn't know that apparently they had moved that. So we'll have to fix that, and then broke the wall over there. And found this gem. So this is the color of the carpet that was here before. So it's actually a very pretty green, but I don't imagine that color green throughout the whole entire house.
Voy a reparar esto, poner este acá, que es este, reparar aquí. Para que quede protegido como este. O sea, de este para lo que es la pared.
Alright, so before we start painting, I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. We've got this wall. Those don't look flat, but I promise they are flat. We're going to paint this wall right here. We'll eventually paint there, but we're not going to try to tackle that right now. We've got this wall that we finished. It looks so pretty. And then we emptied out the living space and finished all of the walls. And they're looking nice and smooth and flat. So this just gives you, I'm standing at the other corner, this just gives you an idea of how big this space is. It's really big actually. And then the hallway, which is also finished, and we just have to paint it as well. The bathroom, we'll do the bathroom separately, but this is where we're at right now. I'll show you an update once the first coat of primer is on. The kitchen, we haven't done anything to the kitchen except for remove what was there, clean it up a little bit, and just get some things out of the way. But The kitchen is like this for now, and it's going to be like that for now. So we'll do a separate kitchen remodel section, but I will paint the walls over there. Good morning. So I'm going to show you the first coat of paint we've got so far. Can't believe how big it looks like this. It's looking so good. So proud, so happy about it. Before all the lighting goes away, we're done painting, and I wanted to show you how great this looks. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and staying tuned with me. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. We're so excited that this channel is growing. Stay tuned because in the next video you'll see the floor, and I know there's a bunch of people that are excited to see this floor, as am I. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed night. God bless. Bye-bye.